Kung consistent kang nagsi-skin barrier moisturizer, ito ang mga results na makukuha mo in return and hindi lang yan pang moisturization. Ang mga moisturizers na may ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol ay gumagaya sa mga natural lipids ng ating skin barrier. At dahil dito, number one, tumutulong sila sa pag-repair ng micro-damage. Pinupunan nila ang mga nawalang lipids para manumbalik ang skin barrier strength. Number two, nagre-reduce sila ng redness and irritation. Because of the moisture it provides, nagiging better ang healing ng ating skin kaya lesser chances of redness. And it leaves a layer or a film of protection on top of your skin, making it less susceptible for allergens and contactants from the environment. Number three is mas konting breakout during purging. When your skin barrier is strong, your inflammation goes down and this actually decreases the chances of breakouts. Number four is proper absorption of your active ingredients. Sa pag-intact ang ating skin barrier, mas magiging maganda at magiging proper ang pag-absorb ng ating mga actives kagaya ng acids and retinoids, making our skin less susceptible to irritation. So hindi lang pang moisturization ang ating mga moisturizers, ito rin po ang daan upang magkaroon tayo ng intact skin barrier for a healthy and resilient skin. For more skin tips that work, follow me in Basta Acne DMD. Bye-bye!